Hey guys, I'm gonna be inspecting the smoke detectors in my house. That little button, you push it to test. God, that thing is loud. Test it again. Loud. Okay, so that's smoke detector number 1. Now let's go to the second one. In this house, there's only two smoke detectors. Only 2. So, gonna go ahead to the next one. The first one was kind of loud. Thing scared the crap out of me. First alert brand. Here is the second one. So it's hard to reach. God. Hey, Dad, come here for a moment. The second one's hard to reach. It's harder to reach. For some reason. This one's hard to reach. Okay, my dad's gonna try to reach this one. Okay, Dad's on this one.
It's not working.
Huh, the second one ain't working.
There it goes.
Oh, that one's...
Yeah, it works.
This one works.
What's the battery's getting low?
Thanks for watching.